Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is still in the same location as yesterday, but it's now at a key pivot. In my update earlier today that I shared on Discord, I already explained that the market could easily extend a little bit higher because there is no clear rejection from that target zone up here. Few days ago, we talked about this 242 to 245 area as a next smaller degree target range above. That's been reached now already overnight, and that's great. I'm extremely happy that this happened because this was one of the things I've been watching for in this sideways range, that the market would reach this area there. And the thing is, though, that on this move or in this move to the upside, as I said, the last decline was only in 3 waves. So to read out what I shared earlier today on Discord, while there is no clear microstructure in addition to what I am already showing on the chart, the price might try to form one more high, which could reach 254 to 262, which is the next range, you could say, right? And I'm watching for that because this here is just a corrective pullback. It might turn into a triangle, but it looks like an incomplete rally so far. It looks like 3 waves up to me. I mean, down here there is no clear microstructure as such. I could make something up. It wouldn't really be helpful. So I provided the information that so far this could still push higher because, again, it's only a corrective pullback. As long as pullbacks remain corrective in 3 waves and they are rather shallow, there's no significant setback, so therefore I would watch for higher prices in the short term. Next resistance at 245, and then I would pay attention to the trend line of this triangle. Now it's not perfectly drawn here, maybe I should do that. I don't see the trend line as too relevant, but clearly down here it had an impact. Up there it could provide some additional resistance, and then the next levels are 254, 260 and 262. Why are they relevant? Because they're just standard Fibonacci extensions. I mean, also this area here was highly relevant, right? It was the target from when we started down here. We said it should reach this area, these 2 Fibs, 242 to 245. And yeah, they've been reached. The price clearly, I mean, it's been consolidating there for nearly 24 hours now. Okay, more like 16 hours or something, but not yet 24, but it's been consolidating below after it rallied quite directly. Those levels, Fib levels, they act like a magnet to the price. And the price clearly listened, got attracted, moved there. And now we have to see how does the price then react to these levels, yeah? It's a matter of understanding what is the chart context, how does the price react to Fibs, and is the wave count full? And to be honest, on the micro level, I can definitely make a case for a few more upside squiggles. Again, I haven't specifically labeled it because it's not so relevant, but I could easily say this is a 1, 2. Somehow this is stretching higher, but there could be a wave 3 here, maybe another 4, 5. It's just a bit unclear what exactly this is. Therefore, I've rather not labeled it because we only want to label to the degree that we can actually recognize clear structures. Yeah, you could argue, there might be another 1, 2 here, but what is this? Is this another 1, 2, or is this a diagonal? So best is not to get into this mess. But my take is that there could be another high. Now, when can we say that the E wave to the downside is starting? I mean, I would want to see just some kind of a significant setback, right? The only level I could really offer here is the 226 level, but it's not useful because, to be honest, there is no minimum target for an E wave. It might just give us that pullback, and that's the E wave, and then we go higher. So I don't find that a very helpful level. That's why we have to be a bit cautious in triangles. I mean, anybody who traded for this move, it moved from support into target. So that's definitely nothing bad. But I don't think it's over yet, this move. Certainly a break below the swing low here, that last swing low at 233, 2.337 could indicate that a top of sorts is in place, but it wouldn't be very clear without a 5-wave move down. So yeah, for now I'm watching for higher in the short term, but then what is important is that if this really is a triangle, or even the blue count, which is short-term a little bit more bearish, the price should not break actually above this swing high from the 17th of December. If it does, the chart needs to be reinterpreted. And I mean, it would be clearly a signal that something more directly bullish is playing out. And maybe either the E wave was very short. We don't know what's happening on the way to that green line around 272. So there could be another pullback and then we go. Yeah, or it's not a triangle, it's something else, but it really does look like a triangle. I mean, we can always make a case for the triangle to be complete already, but again, it doesn't look like it for various reasons that I don't want to get into too much here, but I would prefer maybe a little higher than a higher low in wave D, and then we can go. That all provided the price holds above that C wave low from the 20th of December, because below that level, to be honest, the triangle, which should break out to the upside, is going to be invalidated. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.